What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sheila with Promostk. We're gonna do a surprise pop-up taste test. Pop up. 3 people. They don't know I'm coming. Here we go. What up, everybody? This your girl Sheila with Promostk. That's Promostk. Eating good in the neighborhood. And Promostk, Sheila's Creations way. Hey you guys, I'm going to do a roll-up today, a roll-up, pop-up, or whatever you want to say. I have my new concoction, which is my Sheila's Creation. It is the one I put on the YouTube channel this morning on my channel. And it is the Carrot and Zucchini Nut Bread with cream cheese drizzle. So I'm going to do a pop-up, roll-up, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to stop by a couple people's houses and let them taste test it. So you guys can have a feel of what's going on inside that dish. All right, talk to you guys later when I pop up or roll up. All right, you guys, I'm pulling up at my first house. Hopefully somebody's home. Hopefully somebody's home. Hopefully somebody's home. We'll see. We'll see if they're at home. If they're at home, then we'll do it. If not, then we'll keep it moving. Guys, I just called because I didn't think anyone was home, but somebody is home. Somebody is home. Somebody out of the car. They're coming out. Get my dish here. Hey, girl. All right, girl. So I'm glad you guys are home. Hey, did I wake y'all up? No, we were okay, I'm doing a pop-up. I had a Sheila's Creation dish that I made, and it is a zucchini. It's a carrot zucchini nut bread. So hopefully no allergies. But I'm going through different stops, and I'm letting you taste test so I can get your reactions. All right. You gonna watch? All right. Hey, you guys, I'm sitting here with, tell your name?
Natalia.
Yeah, we call her Nat. Oh. Hey, guys, we're sitting here with?
Nan.
And what's your full name?
Natalia Brenda.
Yeah, so she is going to, what are you gonna do? You're gonna try one of Sheila's Creations? And it is the carrot and zucchini bread with nuts, with cream, cheese, drizzle. So we're gonna do a little unveiling here. You know, we're gonna get a kid's opinion and we're gonna get an adult's opinion. And here it is, yay. You gonna eat it with your hand or you gonna eat it with a fork?
I'll have a fork.
Okay. Let's cut you a little piece right here. We're cutting this open, you guys. And I want to see your facial expression because I want to see that first bite as you eat it to let everybody know how you like it.
It's good.
It's good? Okay. We have a good. All right, thumbs up. What does it taste like to you?
Tastes good.
Just tastes good, huh? All right, now we're going to have her mom sit down and get hers.
All right, let's see it.
Now, this is a pop-up, you guys. We just showed up at their house. They're probably was still to bed.
Sunday morning.
Sunday morning.
There's another kid.
Oh, there's JJ.
JJ.
Hey, JJ.
Oh. Come on. You got to try this.
Now, that is carrot and zucchini nut with cream cheese drizzle.
Oh, it's delicious, Miss Sheila.
Well, thank you.
Delicious. You want to try it, JJ?
Is it good? He likes
It's
it.
good? All right. Looking
Thumbs
like your
up,
daddy.
thumbs
Yeah,
up,
all
thumbs
right,
up.
thumbs up.
Good job.
All right, you guys. This is our first stop. And Miss Andreia is over here, and she really likes it. All right.
I love
He's
it.
eating
All
it.
right, she loves it. Yay. Do you know, can you guess up some of the stuff that's in there besides what I named it?
Raisins.
No raisins.
Nuts,
Walnuts.
walnuts, carrots, eggs,
And zucchini.
sugar and zucchini.
All right,
delicious.
you guys. So we have a thumbs up. Yay! See you guys on the next roll up. All right, we got a happy camper over here.
Yeah, this is delicious, off the chain.
All right, that's what I'm talking about. She asked me why didn't I enter into my competitions. I told her I can't because when they're in my competition, I can't enter anything. But this just came up yesterday, the idea, and that's how Sheila Creation is formed. All right, you guys, I'm on to my next location. That was a thumbs up on that carrot and zucchini nut bread. Woo woo! Hey, I'm doing a pop-up. I'm doing a pop-up. Say hi. We're doing a pop-up, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm up here at my Aunt Brenda's house. We did a pop-up over here, and we're popping up different places, letting people try this carrot zucchini nut bread with cream icing. Let's unveil. And again, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to Promo STK. Eating good in the neighborhood.
Oh, that one. Oh, it looks good.
And we want honest opinions.
All right. Caught me when I just said. Want me to take a whole piece?
Yeah, you're going to want some for later.
Okay. All right, Sheila. You want me to taste this?
I
It
do.
look good.
All right, we got thumbs up on the looks.
And the dog won't stop barking.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay, we got another thumbs up, you guys. What about the texture?
Creamy, smooth, tasty carrots, see the carrots. The texture is very good.
What about the zucchini?
I can't tell what the zucchini is,
Okay.
but the carrot's good. And I love on carrot either. I love carrot.
All right, you guys, we got thumbs up. So you guys got to try the recipe. Woohoo! Check me out on YouTube. Promo STK. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next pop-up.
Let me finish this. This is great.
You said it's what kind of dessert?
It's a healthy dessert.
Yeah, it can be a very healthy dessert.
Zucchini where you don't even see it or taste it. The carrots, I'm a carrot lover, so I love carrots, and it's good. So thanks for the
Pop-up.
pop-up.
All right.
Zucchini meal.
All
I would
right.
definitely try it.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Check out my
You're
recipe.
so welcome. I do. I check out your recipes.
You're welcome. It's hot out here. All right, you guys, I have one more stop for a pop-up, and you guys are going to check it out. And let's check out this. I just stopped at my aunt's house for a pop-up, and she has bullets growing on her trees, so that's why I'm a little hot and bothered. But look at all this, you guys. You remember bullets? Yeah, y'all remember that? Well, look at this. These things are like awesome. So I got a whole bag full of those. Now I'm just going to do one more pop-up, and then we're going to finish this review of the carrot and zucchini nut bread with cream cheese. Woo-hoo! Drizzle. Guys, I'm pulling up to my last stop. My last stop on my pop-up journey for the taste testing of the Sheila's Creations. Here we go. All right, you guys. This is the last stop. Hey, what's up? I'm doing a pop-up. What's up, bro? What's up? I'm doing a pop-up. Pop-up. Taste test of Sheila's Creation. This is my last stop, you guys. Where's Emily?
Last stop, she just went grab some groceries and watch below.
Well, come on, bro. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, you guys. I just rode up here on my brother, and he is my final pop-up stop. All right, that's
What's going on,
Justin.
guys? Let's see what my sister has created. Right here today. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. So what is this?
This is Sheila's Creations, and it is. Pull that back.
Hey, bro, come on in, bro. My sister, she here. Alright, yeah, give me a second. Oh, you can just come in.
All right, got somebody else popping up here on him, so we may have him
Oh,
taste
we
it
might have
too.
him taste it. I'm telling you. Is it open? Yes, all right, sis.
All right, so this is carrot and zucchini nut bread with a cream cheese drizzle.
With a cream cheese drizzle. Let's see what we got here.
Do y'all like popping up on people? Well, I'm
Sure
doing the pop-ups
popped up on
today.
my brother. Lord, she popped up then now.
All right, let's do that first bite. See that expression on the face?
That cream cheese. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna do right over here. What they different?
Okay.
Okay. Look at that. Banana bread mixed with cowboy bread mixed with cream cheesecake.
Okay, that's the review. Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
2 thumbs up.
All right, that's the review. Woohoo! Thank you. And he's got somebody knocking at his door and he's still
Come on in, long way.
We'll get whoever's popping up on him on here and see.